Happy New Year and welcome back to Physiopilates. Today I have a New Year core workout for you and we're going to use the Pilates ball. Alright, so if you don't have one of these, you can see it's slightly deflated. You can get one little football that's kind of soft and lets some of the air out and it'll do the same job. Okay, so now I'm going to sit on the mat, alright, with the knees bent, and I'm going to put it between the knees. Alright, and when we use it between the legs, it helps us engage the inner thigh a bit more. So I'm going to lie down, my knees are bent, and my shoulders are opened out. Okay, so you find your neutral position, your chin is tucked in, and we're scooping in the belly button. Okay, so first of all, we're going to gently press on the ball. I don't want you to work the legs too hard, just a little bit of a contraction there on the inner thighs, and then release. As you breathe out, gently squeeze the ball and breathe in, release. As you breathe out, gently squeeze it and breathe in, release. And 4 more. Okay, great. Now we're going to do the bridge. Again, we're keeping the ball there. It's helping us engage our deep abdominals and our inner thighs. So we breathe in. As you breathe out, rising up onto your shoulder blades, chin tucked in, breathe in. And as you breathe out, slowly lower yourself down, bone by bone, segment by segment, onto the mat. Twice more. Breathe in. As you breathe out, peeling off the bones, lifting up, chin tucked in, breathe in. And as you breathe out, slowly lower yourself back down onto the mat. Once more, breathe in. As you breathe out, peeling off the bones, lifting up. Breathe in to hold. And as you breathe out, slowly lower yourself back down. So now we're going to hold for 10 seconds. Breathe in. As you breathe out, rising up onto your shoulder blades, we're engaging the glutes. Chin in for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly lower your spine, bone by bone, segment by segment onto the mat. Twice more, breathe in. As you breathe out, peeling off the bones, lifting up, and we're holding a nice straight line from the knees to the shoulder blades. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly lower yourself down again. Segment by segment, back down. Last one, breathe in. As you breathe out, rising up, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, gentle pressure on the ball. 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly lower your spine down. Okay, great. Now we're going to go single leg bridge. You're trying to keep the ball where it is. If it falls out, don't worry. But we're just trying to hold, working those inner thigh muscles as we do this. Breathe in. As you breathe out, lifting up. So we're getting as stable as we can. And we're stretching out one leg for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you can stay up, keep going, changing legs, stretching out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, one more to each side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And last one, stretching out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your foot. And slowly lower your spine, bone by bone, segment by segment onto the mat. So after that, you want to hug your knees up and just rock a little bit to each side. Okay, so now we're in position to use the ball to help us engage our deep abdominals as we do the 100. So ribs are down, chin in, and we're going to gently squeeze the ball as we're breathing out. We're beating our arms. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. As you breathe out, gentle pressure on the ball. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2 more breaths. 1 more. Okay, relax your hands down, lower down your feet.
So, I hope you enjoyed the workout today. It's a great start to the new year. See you next time.
If you enjoyed this video, do consider our membership program. Give the gift of good health to a loved one or even to yourself.